No, okay.
That's what you get when you ask questions.
So, weather.
Weather, let me talk about that. We had a couple thunderstorms pop up, mainly west of the metroplex. Those were on the stronger side. Could be some pea to quarter-size hail producers. We should jump into that and talk about that.
The ones that are bigger than quarter are usually the ones that you have to worry about with the car.
Yes.
Especially. Okay.
That's exactly right. And we've seen most of them stay kind of in the pocket change size hailstones. We'll show you that. The storms are at least coming down in intensity at this point. 88, that was the high today. The normal is 87, very close to that. The temperature now is 87 degrees, winds at 4 miles an hour. Metroplex, quiet. We have this little sliver here. It's showers of Tarrant County. Now, Tarrant County, you're technically under the warning. Looks like the hail core stays to your west. This is where some of those hailstones could be pea to maybe quarter size as it moves southeast into parts of northeastern Hood County and then into Johnson County. More scattered rain and rumbles of thunder just to the southwest of there, and more isolated thunderstorms northeast of the Metroplex this afternoon, parts of Fannin County, down to Commerce, near Sulphur Springs as well. Remember, it looks like the severe thunderstorm warning was canceled. Let me go back to that. I want to confirm that. No, still there. Severe thunderstorm warning till 5 o'clock. That will expire. I don't see how that gets reissued. It could, and if it does, of course, we will keep you updated. But right now, it looks like the storm is at least coming down in intensity. Still some very heavy rain, thunder and lightning just to the west of the Metroplex. Remember, these are driven by the heat of the day. So the next couple of hours, we'll have that chance for the scattered rain and thunderstorm activity. But by about 7 or 8 o'clock, this all really dies down. And that's the case over the next couple of hours. The intensity may pulse up here or there, but overall, the trend is down as the sun begins to set. Friday morning, mix of sun and clouds. We'll call it a mostly sunny Friday in North Texas, and many will stay dry. There's a really low chance, mainly well west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, for a couple of showers or thunderstorms. A lot of that would really be out toward the Big Country, Abilene, and even a little bit farther west. You see how things just kind of fizzle out in western sections of North Texas. So right now, Dallas-Fort Worth, dry Friday, well west of the Metroplex, a chance for a little bit of rain. Then we get into Saturday. Will be mostly cloudy. Boy, we've had a cloudy spring. Winter was very sunny after we had that big winter storm, and all of a sudden it's like we've just been stuck in the clouds a lot. And we'll be mostly cloudy on Saturday. You see how the clouds really stick around through most of the day. There could be some pop-up thunderstorms out toward Wichita Falls and Haskell. Those may make a run for western sections of North Texas early Saturday evening. These also driven by the heat of the day. So once 7 o'clock hits, you see the rain and thunderstorms. Watch when I move it to 8 o'clock. They start to fizzle out fairly quickly. So again, once you lose the heat of the day, thunderstorm intensity goes down. That's 8 p.m. We're quiet. Saturday evening. I would not, listen, if you've got plans this weekend, I'm not worried about rain. I don't think you should be either. Saturday evening, there's a 10% coverage of maybe some of those showers making it into western sections of North Texas. The higher chance of that to the northwest of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Sunday looks dry. We'll reintroduce chances for some spotty rain and thunderstorms Monday and Tuesday of next week. Very warm through the weekend. 72 tonight, mostly clear. Tomorrow, 92. That's not even the warmest. By Saturday, it's 93. Sunday, it's 94. Oh, yes, it's the end of May. And it feels like it. 94 Sunday, 93 next Monday. Lots of upper 80s and lower 90s after that. We'll remain on the, what I would say is unsettled side over the next couple of weeks. But each chance of rain, we're going to keep on the lower coverage side. So when you see these chances of rain, it's not like all widespread washouts where everybody should bank on getting rain that day. It's the isolated stuff. It's scattered, kind of like what we're seeing this afternoon, Jason.